Dean Graziosi's The Millionaire Mindset focuses on cultivating a mindset that is conducive to achieving financial success and abundance. The book offers practical insights, strategies, and mindset shifts to help readers unlock their potential and create wealth. Here's a concise summary of the key concepts. Graziosi emphasizes the importance of cultivating a positive and growth-oriented mindset. This involves shifting from a scarcity mindset to an abundance mindset, believing in one's ability to create wealth, and embracing challenges as opportunities for growth. The millionaire mindset involves taking full responsibility for one's financial situation. Graziosi encourages readers to stop blaming external factors and instead focus on what they can control. This empowerment is crucial for making proactive choices that lead to financial success. Setting clear and specific financial goals is a cornerstone of the millionaire mindset. Graziosi guides readers in defining their goals, breaking them down into actionable steps, and creating a roadmap for success. Clarity helps in staying focused and motivated. A millionaire mindset is not just about thinking, it's about taking consistent and purposeful action. Graziosi emphasizes the importance of daily habits, discipline, and perseverance in working towards financial goals. Failure is a part of the journey to success. Graziosi encourages readers to view failures as learning opportunities and not as setbacks. Resilience and the ability to bounce back are essential components of the millionaire mindset. Graziosi underscores the significance of continuous learning, especially in the realm of finance. Developing financial literacy and understanding investment strategies are crucial for making informed decisions and building wealth. Diversifying income streams is a key strategy in the millionaire mindset. Graziosi advises readers to explore various avenues such as investments, side businesses, and passive income to create financial stability and security. Surrounding oneself with like-minded and successful individuals is essential for growth. Graziosi introduces the concept of creating a supportive network and leveraging the collective knowledge and resources of a community. The millionaire mindset embraces change and innovation. Graziosi encourages readers to be adaptable, open to new ideas, and willing to pivot when necessary. The ability to seize opportunities in a rapidly changing world is a hallmark of success. Gratitude and giving back are essential components of the millionaire mindset. According to Graziosi, cultivating gratitude for our current achievements and giving back to others not only benefits our personal well-being, but also fosters a sense of fulfillment within the community. Visualization is a powerful tool in the Millionaire Mindset Toolkit. Graziosi emphasizes the importance of creating a vivid mental image of our desired financial success, believing in its realization, and taking inspired actions to manifest those dreams. Effective time management is crucial for productivity and success. Graziosi provides insights into prioritizing tasks, eliminating time-wasting activities, and creating a balanced life that aligns with our financial goals. Ultimately, the journey to a millionaire mindset involves mastering our thoughts and beliefs. Graziosi encourages us to be mindful of our self-talk, eliminate limiting beliefs, and cultivate a mindset that attracts success. The Millionaire Mindset, by Dean Graziosi, is a comprehensive guide that empowers readers to transform their mindset and habits, creating financial abundance. Through practical advice and real-life examples, this book enables us to take control of our financial destiny and build the mindset necessary for long-term success.